Tuesday, 1st of July, 10:30 p.m. dear viewers. Hello and welcome. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, presenting you the domestic and international news prepared for this session live from our headquarters in Asmara. I'm here, Mel Lagarmai, inviting you to join us on our tonight's news broadcast. Let's start with the major headlines. Extensive water and soil conservation activities. Youth Workers Week in Ad-Dukhala subzone. Severe heat waves hit southern Europe. And monsoon arrives early in India. On our detailed domestic news, residents of 9 administrative areas and 35 villages in the Halhal subzone of Ansaba region are conducting extensive water and soil conservation activities. Mr. Yasin Mohammed Idris, head of the agriculture office in the subzone, reported that the popular campaign, which began in January, includes the construction of terraces, water catchment systems, and road renovation. Mr. Yasin noted that so far 518,466 meters of terraces have been constructed on arable land. Commending the strong participation of the residents in the campaign, Mr. Gurmatyon Abraha, administrator of the subzone, stated that the water and soil conservation activities will significantly contribute to boosting agricultural production and controlling soil erosion. The residents, for their part, expressed readiness to continue their active participation until the start of the rainy season. In other news, Youth Workers Week has been enthusiastically celebrated in the Ad-Dukhala subzone under the theme Awareness and Organization of Youth Guarantor for Development and Resilience. The program featured cultural, educational, and sport activities. Mrs. Samhargara Mikael, representative of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, highlighted the importance of the program in enabling youth workers to share experiences. She called on the public and government institutions to enhance their participation to ensure the program's sustainability. She also recommended all those who contributed to the successful implementation of the event. At the closing ceremony, awards were presented to winners of various competitions. In other news, sign language training programs lasting from 3 to 6 months have been provided to 12 teachers and 55 students of Denden High School in Asmara. Mr. Daniel Hapta, director of the school, stated that the objective of the training was to facilitate communication with hearing-impaired individuals in general and with students in particular. The event featured presentations and performances reflecting the knowledge the students gained from the training. Mr. Hagos Kirana from the Central Region Education Office said that in the 2024 and 2025 academic year, Denden High School provided educational opportunities to 14 students with hearing impairments and that the training will play a significant role in improving the teaching and learning process for these students. The trainees expressing appreciation for the training opportunity provided also affirmed their readiness to apply their training to assist hearing impaired students in their school. Dear viewers, do stay tuned for our international news right after the short break. Welcome back. Major heat waves across southern Europe have pushed temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius in countries including Italy, Spain, Portugal, and Greece, as local authorities issued fresh warnings against the risk of wildfires. Experts link the rising frequency and intensity of these heat waves to climate change, warning that such extreme weather events are becoming increasingly common across Europe's southern region. The Italian Health Ministry placed the 21st out of 27 monitored cities under its highest heat alert, including top holiday destinations like Rome, Milan, and Naples. Greece was again on high wildfire alerts because of extreme weather, with the first summer heat wave expected to continue throughout the weekend. A large wildfire broke out south of Athens on Thursday, forcing evacuations and road closures near the ancient temple of Poseidon. Meanwhile, in Spain, temperatures were recorded to be as high as 42 degrees Celsius in southern regions of the country, prompting health alerts and safety recommendations from authorities. The country's National Meteorological Services has said that June is set to break yet another record, becoming the hottest such month since record started. Experts warn that intense heat can affect daily life, especially for vulnerable populations such as the elderly and the children. In our today final news, the India Meteorological Department announced the arrival of the monsoon over the entire country, including Delhi, 9 days ahead of schedule. According to the department, the monsoon has now covered the entire country as of June 29th, beating its usual timeline of July 8. The early onset brought light to moderate rain across Delhi on Saturday and Sunday, with showers and gusty winds reported in several other parts of the capital. Meanwhile, in Qatarand, the India Meteorological Department has issued a red alert for today and tomorrow, warning of extremely heavy rainfall. An orange alert has also been declared for July 1st and 2nd, with the weather office cautioning that people living in sensitive or low-lying areas face risks of waterlogging and landslides. A cloud burst in Uttarakhand triggered a landslide at a hotel construction site early Saturday morning. According to district magistrate, 9 laborers are missing after debris hit their shelter. Rescue operations by the State Disaster Response Force, National Disaster Response Force, police and local administration are underway despite continuous rain. As North India braces for continued showers, local administrations in Delhi, Haryana, Himachal and Uttarakhand have urged residents to stay alert and avoid flood-prone or landslide-prone areas. The Weather Department has predicted more rain across the region in the next 24 hours. Dear viewers, we are done with the news prepared for this session, and now it's time for a quick recap of the major headlines. Extensive water and soil conservation activities. Youth Workers Week in Adukhala subzone. Severe heat waves hit southern Europe. And monsoon arrives early in India. Ladies and gentlemen, that was all for tonight. Thank you for having us and have a blessed night.